Hi everybody, good morning. This is Vinny from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most versatile Excel tools available. My goal is always to bring you tools that will make your work more efficient, save you time, and make your day just a little easier. Today I am excited to show you a highly requested tool by my clients. The challenge we wanted to solve was how to plan the best delivery route directly in Excel, and that is how this Route Planner app for delivery drivers was created. If you are a delivery driver or manage delivery operations, you know how important it is to have the shortest, most efficient route. This tool was designed to do exactly that. It allows you to enter your delivery stops and quickly generates the most efficient route possible. Let me show you how it works. Imagine you are a courier who needs to deliver to a list of addresses. You normally start at your office, and in this example, you will also end your route at the office, although you can set it to end somewhere else, such as your home or another location if needed. You will paste your list of delivery destinations into the tool, even if they are in no particular order. Then simply click on Calculate Optimal Route. In seconds, the tool will sort the addresses in the best possible order, showing you exactly where to start, which locations to deliver in order. The tool will also show the distance and drive time from one stop to the next, as well as the total miles and total drive time for the entire route. You can also view the route on Google Maps and easily copy the link to share it by email or text. If you prefer, you can print the full route for convenience. This Route Planner app for delivery drivers is simply fast and extremely useful. Once you download it, you will be able to plan routes in just minutes. If you need any modifications or customizations for your business, feel free to reach out. My phone number and email are in the description, and also live chat available on the website. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tool helps make your deliveries easier and faster. Be sure to check out the download link in the description and contact me if you have any questions. Also, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tools. Until next time.